So I got some not so good news again for US investors. You're going to want to hear this. And I also have some interesting news coming out with ETH 2.0 and when it's actually going to be from an ETH developer. But first, please like and subscribe and check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, our portfolio updates, and everything like that. Okay, so breaking news really quick. Terra just bought another $100 million of Bitcoin. So yep, they're loading the boat during this dip while a lot of people are panicked. Some people are liquidated, but Terra is smart. They are dollar cost averaging like the big boys are doing. They're dollar cost averaging and putting that away for, you know, whatever. For Terra, it's actually backing the UST, which is their decentralized stablecoin. Okay, moving on to Celsius. Heidi and I have been saying this for a very long time. We've got a lot of crap for saying this, but Celsius announces only transfers from accredited US-based investors will be able to earn rewards. Now, the barrier of entry is going to keep getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and it's going to kick out a whole lot of people. Now, you might be wondering, what is an accredited investor? It's pretty much somebody that earns $200,000 to $300,000 if you're married, or owns $1 million of assets, or you're in good standing with a good standing, and you have a series of 7, 65, and 82 license. So those are the ways to get being accredited. Obviously, most people don't have this, and obviously there's a reason why they made it this way, accredited, to kick out all the smaller guys that are being affected by inflation, which just hit 8.5% yesterday, which is the highest in 40 years. Plus, I think food and energy isn't included in CPI, but actually food and energy inflation is at 25% right now. Just incredible. Okay, so some interesting news before I get into the Ethereum news. Okay, this is coming from The Sun, all right, by Harry Petit. He says, Bitcoin fans are psychopaths who don't care about anyone, study shows. And so he goes on to say, the average Bitcoin investor, like us, is a calculating psychopath with an inflated ego, according to scientists. Gotta love those scientists, right? A team of experts recently surveyed more than 500 people to uncover the personality traits that are most common among crypto nuts. So yeah, you know what these people are? They're angry that they've never been buying the dip, that they're too lazy to go understand the evolution of finance, and you know, they could be complete psychopaths as well because they don't want the average person to actually invest in crypto. They want to scare everybody away. All right, so excuse the flies here. All right, so okay, Ethereum 2.0. Okay, so this is coming from Tim Biko, which is a Ethereum core dev, and he says, you know, the Ethereum 2.0 is supposed to come out sooner rather than later. Well, it won't be June. This is what he says on Twitter, but it likely in a few months after. No firm date yet, but we're definitely in the final chapter proof of work on Ethereum. So pretty much it's going from proof of work to proof of stake. And so yeah, it's going to take a long time. Heidi and I, we actually said that it would take a longer time for it to get out there. Somebody actually asked us in our CT Club during our AMA session if we thought that it would be on time. We said no. And here you go, it's no. But hey, relax, because we're still bullish on Ethereum. I'd rather them take their time than rush things, because this is really complicated stuff. So that's enough about Ethereum. Anyways, if you like this, please like, subscribe, and check us down below for our CT Club. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.